Hello everyone, this is the random channel Eli here, and today I have installed my tail closer on my screen door testing rig. This is the parallel mount, and the other video you saw was the top jam mount sort of thing. And go ahead and give it a demonstration. It can only open up to 100 degrees because I do have this sideways. Now, if you guys are wondering, will I be installing the door closer that I got for free on here? Probably not, because the door closer that I got for free, I think that closer is an LCN. The door closer I got for free. If you guys know what that is, please let me know. I don't think I'm gonna be able to install it on here because that other closer has way more power than this one, so I really don't want this whole thing to break. So for now, I'm just gonna mount this on here. Sorry if it's a little wobbly. Sorry if it's a little wobbly. Like I said, I built this a little crooked, so it's just here. That's all it is. Alright, I'll do one more demonstration. And sorry about the camera angle. I am using my phone holder. So sorry for the bad camera angle. That is, I was going to say my fault, but oh well. Oh hey, here's me. Alrighty, this is the video of the tail closer on parallel mount. Thanks for watching.